Here we are in the final pieces of the garden, and Jason has picked this year's watermelon.
I'll throw it!
Don't you dare.
Okay.
Alright, now put it down over here.
Okay.
I mean, put it down on the chair.
Right here.
And we gotta chill it.
I'll put it right. And hello. Hello and bye!
Okay, we're gonna do the official 2012 cutting of the watermelon. It's a yearly tradition. We usually get one or two. This year it's just one. Jason, what do you make about this watermelon?
Yummy!
Yummy. Okay, we're gonna cut it.
And it's gonna be...
Okay.
This is gonna be Daddy good.
You see it in there?
Huh?
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my dad cutting the...
Oh, listen to that crisp sound.
Crisp sound. Check out the
Look at that. Back up, back it up.
It's pretty gross.
Yeah.
And what kind of is it?
It's a yellow.
It's a yellow one. And there's the watermelon, cut it up and dead. Well, not dead.
Taste test. Here, hold it up. Hold it up, ready?
Daddy do the taste. And it was like, yeah, let me have a little taste.
Go ahead, Jason, take a little piece.
This one?
Yeah. What do you think? Good job. Watermelon 2012.